Hey guys, Helbert here, and I just wanted to make a quick video and show you how I like to incorporate my new presets into my editing workflow. So what we have here is a finished image. I'm going to hit reset and start from scratch. This is what the raw looks like. And before I start scrolling through my preset pack, I'm going to do a few adjustments to get the image ready. The first thing will be to crop it. I'm going to go to 8:10, which is the Instagram crop, so I'm going to do that. And I'm also going to change the white balance. I'm just gonna warm it up quite a bit. And I'm gonna scroll down and go to the lens profile correction. Okay, and I think I'm ready to start going through the presets and selecting one to work with. I have my presets loaded here on the left, and if I scroll and hover on them, you're going to see a preview, and I think the 3, 4, and 5 look pretty good. Personally like 4 the best, so I'm going to go with that. And as you can see, once I clicked on it, it changed all the settings on the right side. Every photo is going to be different, so you're gonna have to tweak accordingly to make it fit. So I'm going to start by opening the shadows. I think they're a little too dark for me. I'm going to go to the tone curve, going to pull the white point down and fade the highlights, and raise this over here. I'm not a fan of how faded the shadows are, so I'm going to pull the black point down and open up these shadows here. I think the colors look pretty good. I don't feel like I need to do much. Sharpening, I think that looks good in sharpening. I'm not a fan of over sharpened photos, so I leave it at 22 and do some masking here. And might add a little bit of vignetting. And I have a setting for grain, which is medium-sized grain. And as you can see, it's very visible, so if it's a little too much for you, you can always just pull it back. And around 10, 8, that's usually the minimum I do. Just enough to give it a little bit of texture. And that's it. I think it's pretty much what I want it to be. And if I hit the backslash button on the keyboard, you can see the before and after. Before, after. So you can see it was painless, and it looks beautiful. So yeah, if you're interested in checking out my preset pack, you can visit my website, which is going to be listed on my Instagram bio and linked through my Instagram stories. Yeah, if you have any questions, just don't hesitate to message me. I'll be happy to get back at you. And until next time.